Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our group will present about our project for subject Management Information System Technology. This is the group members. The first one is Mukri Mohammed bin Zulkhairi. Second, Karul Anam bin Shamsun Alam. Third, Muhammad Fahim bin Muhammad Mahfuz. Fourth, Muhammad Azhari bin Jafri. And last, Muhammad Shamil bin Muhammad Shukri. Okay, I will move to the introductions. Traditional food is now very difficult to find by customers, especially those living in urban areas, as there are no food stalls selling traditional food, such as Bahulu. Society has also slowly abandoned traditional foods, with the advance of a wide variety of modern foods. This ultimately encourages entrepreneurs to dive into trends and cyber compete with others for a place in the local entrepreneurial community. Even though the Bahulu flavors they sell are already popular, the way this food is served may not be what customers are looking for. As a result, it leads to some disputes between sellers and customers. For the problem statements, although there are many people already sell these Bahulu gulungs with various flavors, some customers want to buy in other forms according to their needs. For example, there are customers who want to make a feast and want to make this Bahulu gulung as a goodies. It is not suitable to use longs and actual size of Bahulu gulungs. This will cause customers to have difficulties in ordering according to their taste. In addition, most entrepreneurs provide only one type of size because they do not do a pair studies of customers' preference in this modern era. This will ultimately inconvenience customers who want specific shapes and size to suit their taste. For the project scopes, the target scopes for these projects is focused on Bahulu gulung sellers who want to renew their products according to the modern era. In addition, this project is also aimed at small entrepreneurs as well as beginners entrepreneurs.
So, for the objective of the project, we have set our company objective before our company starts to run the business. Our objective is to make a better quality service to the customer and make sure our company staff is providing the best and most tasty for our customers' needs and accordance with current customers. Other than that, we want to ensure the business is running smoothly according to the business plan through planning, organizing, leading, controlling from the management. Next, we set this objective because our objective is to make as we consider the customer is everything for our business. And it is also to make a financial statement at the end of the year for the future comparison. Next is about the mission of the project. Our mission is to get more profit by supplying different kinds of Bahulu in the whole Negeri Sembilan area and Nilai, especially Yusip. Efficient in terms of handling the operation of administrative that occurs to avoid waste, especially when it involves with financial resources, labor, equipment and capital that we have invested. We also will alert and be aware of the feedback from the customers. We believe that this is medium where we can improve and upgrade the products and the services from time to time. Next is the vision of the project, to become another one of the Bumiputra company that produce products and services that can fulfill the want of the customer, thus become one of the monopolists of the industry by open more of our franchise in Malaysia. Next is Bahulu's house enterprise will strive in creating an efficient and effective in terms of operation management and become a multinational company 10 years from now. Lastly, project goals. Based on the objective above, we are venturing into the food industry. Bahulu production has the potential of being a profitable business if it is done in a modern way with large scale and systematically managed. Our goal is to make our company well known, established and satisfied by our customers, to expand our Bahulu, to attract other bakeries company to deal with us at a better price.
Next, we move to expected result. As a result, Bahulu Gulung has been sold fastly as we expected. Our company plan to create ads and post on social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and advertise on WhatsApp status and in groups. So, as the result, our sales was increased. In addition, the way we handle customers and stock is more efficient than at the beginning of the sales. Next, project activities. For project activities, we sell by way of promoting our products on social media such as Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Before advertising a product, we make an order to make as a tester to the customer so that customers can test our Bahulu before they buy it. Then, we take pictures of the product to be used as advertising capital in various techniques. The advertising process is done almost every day of the week. So, people can see our ads on social media every day. Among other ways to promote sales, we make commercials for each Bahulu, so people can buy more than one with the good price.
For information system implementation, this business implement information system to gain business-wide access to business knowledge and increase employee productivity. This information system also allow business to reduce information technology costs and minimize manual data input. This information system attributes offer certain benefits such as teamwork support, better response to the market, improved quality of work and collaboration, and better employee efficiency. For roles and responsibility, the first one, Muhammad Fahim bin Mahfuz as a project manager. He will be managing the activity and resource planning and organizing project team. Number two, Mukrim Hamim Zulghairi, financial manager. His responsibility is producing accurate financial report and developing the budget. Number three, Muhammad Shamil bin Muhammad Shukri as marketing sales. He will be monitoring and improving SEO and analyzing advertising returns. For the next is Muhammad Azhari bin Jafri as a product and service. His responsibility is increase customer orientation and ensure that the product meet the real need of consumer. The last one, Khairul Anam bin Shamsul Alam, is IT engineer, just installing software and networking system.
And for the risk management, the first one is risk planning, which is focused on two risk management strategies, which are risk avoidance and risk reduction. The second one is risk identification. We assigning one person to continuously follow the change in the industry, think progress, resources that the company have anything that can affect our work significantly. The third one is risk analysis. When something unpredictable happens, project manager's team will analyze potential effects on the company before they move to concrete steps. The fourth one is risk response planning. In this step, we take concrete steps as quickly as possible. Sometimes stalling things can cause a lot of damage to the process. So the manager have to take care when maintaining HIPAA compliance and developing risk management plans for internal use as well as for our clients. And the last one is risk monitoring and control. We encounter risk management both in our own company and in those of our client whose works put them in regular contact with EPHI. For the project management, manager is in charge of a certain project or activity, typically an assignable activity or project. For instance, the design build, process, primary and secondary packing, controls, millwright or installation, warehouse or racking. Next, project manager define the program objective, specifies deliverables, establish key dates and manage the activity of all package providers to meet the overall program objective in a timely and a cost-effective manner. For the conclusion, many entrepreneurs, especially small-scale entrepreneurs who are now competing with each other to sell traditional food such as bahulu with various flavors. However, even though the bahulu flavors they sell are already popular, the way this food is served may not be what customers are looking for. As a result, it leads to some disputes between sellers and customers.